In this video, I want to show you how to calculate clay minerals index in ArcGIS Pro. So let's go to our ArcGIS Pro. In ArcGIS Pro, the first thing to do is to bring in your satellite image and do band composite. In the previous video, I've shown you how to do band composite in ArcGIS Pro. So in this exercise, I'm using Landsat 8 and I have done the band composite. So you can check the video on how to do the band composite in the description box. So after I've combined all the bands, I use band 1 to 7 and I've done the band composite. To calculate the clay minerals ratio or clay mineral index, select the band composite and come to imagery. Click on imagery and come here, you will see indices. Click on it. Here we see a lot of indices. Scroll down and go under Geology. Come under Geology. In Geology, you can see different minerals. You can calculate the index. So in this exercise, we are calculating the clay minerals index. So therefore, click on it. It will open this clay minerals page. Now, we have to input the shortwave infrared 1 and shortwave infrared 2. In Landsat image, let me show you something. Each band has different destinations. So in Landsat image, for example, in Landsat 8, band 6 is the shortwave infrared 1, while band 7 is the shortwave infrared 2. So take note of these bands. So we are going to make use of band 6 and band 7. So the shortwave infrared is band 6, while the shortwave infrared 2 is band 7. So let's go back to ArcGIS Pro. So here, the shortwave infrared 1 band index, that will be band 6. And the shortwave infrared 2 band index, click here and select band 7. Then after that, click on OK. So this will run and calculate the clay mineral index or clay mineral ratio for us. You can see it here. Then come here, select the result, which is the clay minerals, and come to symbology. And if your symbology is not pinned here, you can just right click and click on properties. It will open the symbology here. Then choose the color scheme. Click on this drop down and select any color scheme of your choice. For example, let's choose this. You can see. So you can see our clay mineral index. And you can see the value. For example, this result, it ranges between 0.34 to 1.41. So the clay minerals ratio or clay mineral index is a ratio of the shortwave infrared 1 and shortwave infrared 2 bands. It leverages the fact that hydrous minerals such as the clays, alunites, etc. absorb radiation in the shortwave infrared portion of the spectrum. So this is how to calculate the clay minerals index or clay mineral ratio in ArcGIS Pro. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.